say what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
This guy giving up from blue tops like Mars Simpson, just hard discipline, pot simmering, cooking up, no rocks in the.
So hey guys, good morning and welcome back to our channel once again. और आज है डे 5 एक्चुअली ट्राइपॉड नहीं है, इसके लिए थोड़ा शेकी आ रहा है वीडियो जो हम चल रहे. और आज अगेन बैम मार्टिन का क्लास है, सेकंड क्लास, प्लस आज जीना माइकल का भी क्लास है जो भी बहुत एक फाड़ू आर्टिस्ट है वो भी. और इधर भी व्लॉगिंग चालू है, 5th डे है. चलो भाई फटाफट 5th तो अभी फटाफट जा रहे क्योंकि थोड़ा लेट हो गया है आज भी.
अबे साले,
चलो मिलते हैं फटफट.
Wow, look at them, your time passed. Look again, now my glasses to the brim. I'm throwing passes to the rim. Shots, we going in. Not too bad for middleman. Took some jazz.
Drinking every night, the number. I'm drinking with the heart. I'm drinking with the heart.
Put the pass on ice. I was bad like Michael. Now I'm good like Kendrick said, boy, we gon' be alright. I just double my price, yeah. I get love on sight. That's the only love.
Stay freaking calm, yes. Just remembering to breathe and relax. And just remember that music and dancing is supposed to feel nice in the body. It shouldn't feel crazy. Yeah, it should feel quite peaceful.
Side looking in. Bad like Mike. Look at them, your time passed. Look again, now my blessing. Going in, not too bad for middleman. Took some jazz.
Thank you guys so much. I know my stuff is a little bit uncomfortable, but I really enjoyed this class and I'm so excited to see how you're going to grow in the next few days with the new information that we learned today, yes? I love you guys. Thank you. Love you guys. Okay, take a rest. Thank you. Thank you.
This guy giving up from blue tops like Mars Simpson, just hard discipline, pot simmering, cooking up, no rocks in the pan, watching the plan form in the sand, bidding castles out of thoughts in our head, late nights, no sleep in my bed, trying to see my dreams manifest. Look at that, now look at that, we nice. Put the pass on ice. I was bad like Michael, now I'm good like Kendrick said, boy, we gon' be alright. I just double my price, yeah. I get love on sight. That's the only love I like. Now look at that, we nice. For all the ones who showed up with no motives. And fake love is so bogus. Don't take love from false moments. Don't respect those who promote it. Like, oh wow, look at them, your time passed. Look again, now my glasses. Let's go. I was bad like Mike.
time pass, we could get in our mind lessons. Going in, not too fast, from middleman, took some jazz.
Early the next morning.
Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I rip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bonnet. Don't try study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Make some noise for
I might get convicted. They know how I move, it was predicted. Persistent, spoken into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap, and I be breaking this.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Who alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I rip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bonnet.
Alright, okay, let's go. Before we go on with the closing remarks, we have been a team, we have been a family, alright? A small token of love and respect from UDW family, alright? I want you guys to give a tribute to two superstars artists on whose pictures you would see on the screen right now. Please, sir, we are ready. Let's go! Alright. 2 minutes of silence, alright, please.
आज था डे 6 लास्ट डे
बहुत हालत देख सकते हो आप कैसा हो गया है और क्या बताएं।
बहुत फटाफट चला गया 1 वीक, मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा यार।
सर कल ही आए थे हम लोग और कब ख़त्म हो गया, आज एंड है, लग भी नहीं रहा है कि इतनी जल्दी ख़त्म हो गया। और एकदम क्या बताएं, ये एंडिंग बहुत ही अपसेट लग रहा है कि ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा है ये ख़त्म नहीं होना चाहिए, अभी और 1 या 2 वीक ऐसा होना चाहिए।
नेक्स्ट टाइम एटलीस्ट 2 वीक का कैंप होना चाहिए। बट देन नहीं, सॉर्टेड है, 1 वीक है, बहुत सारा मतलब क्लासेस है, बहुत सारा चीज़ सीखने मिलेगा, एंड देन इट इज़ गुड।
और ये कैसे पार हो गया इतनी जल्दी पता भी नहीं चला। सेकंड मैं बोल रहा था कि यार अभी तो है बहुत दिन क्या।
अब ये कल का लास्ट दिन है, कल बैटल एंड ऑल है।
अमेजिंग एनर्जी।
चलो गाइस, मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद। बाय बाय गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे कनेक्टेड। धन्यवाद. See you next year.